A loss of 4.2% in SUI is expected by March 20 per coin data flow. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. SUI has dropped 6.3% in the past 24 hours and is trading right around $0.9756. Let's turn to what the analysts are saying. Tomorrow, coin data flow says we might be looking at $0.9329. That's a decrease of 4.2%. 30 rates sees a path for SUI to reach $0.949, implying a move down of 2.6%. Digital coin price highlights it could edge downward to $0.9647, marking a drop close to 1%. Another forecast by CoinCodex expects SUI might lift to $0.9813, a potential gain of 0.7%. To finish, Traders Union sees a climb to $1.0247 by March 20, 5.2% above today's price. This is the top earning projection of all. You've just seen 5 forecasts. Let's keep exploring. After going through all 5 forecasts, here's the numeric view. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decline of 4.2% and a rise of 5.2%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, Traders Union takes the lead with 5.2% gain in value by tomorrow. To sum it up, you could receive between $7 and $52 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinCodex's forecast indicates the most probable price movement, with a 95.7% chance of success. By analyzing all 5 predictions together, I've built a consensus scenario. Consensus analysis suggests SUI holding at about $0.9705. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. Consensus calculations suggest a 0.4% price decrease by tomorrow. By the same amount in percentage terms, your capital might also rise. A 1,000 example position could imply a possible $4 return. So the chance of the consensus forecast playing out stands near 96.2%. For the short term, let's see what analysts predict across the 3-day period. Coin data flow expects losses to extend. Also, 30 rates points to further weakness. Likewise, digital coin price expects downward momentum to persist. Additionally, CoinCodex signals a steady decline. In line with this, Traders Union projects continued growth. Consensus projections show SUI leaning toward lower levels in the near term. Therefore, most forecasts agree on SUI taking a weaker path. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. In the end, the day's last trade was around $0.9884. Just one forecast had the correct read on direction. On the accuracy side, Gov Capital Collector had the leading forecast. Let's piece it together. Yesterday's candle included 2 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, some results were in profit, and the strongest gain reached 5.4%. This is the complete summary. All forecasts verified and compared. Looking at the verified numbers, CoinLore showed minus 4.2% ROI and $0.1116 accuracy. Look over the results and find the forecast that hit closest to reality. Now we're turning to the comparison of tomorrow's expected gains for SUI and other selected cryptocurrencies. In this comparison, Chainlink comes first with 1% ahead of SUI. This comparison includes SUI and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability table and full analyst accuracy data will soon appear on my website and Telegram. Before you leave, show some support with a like and subscribe so I can keep gathering forecasts for you. Catch you in the next analysis.